Got rejected by a girl recently? Your ego and heart must hurt like hell. You can actually still deal with the self-esteem issue by being more charming to the next girl and sweeping her off her feet, but that's not going to happen. It's because your heart is totally set on this one. You feel that she is your soulmate and that she just doesn't know it yet. You can't help but ponder how to win over the girl who rejected you and make her yours forever. For sake of a better perspective, here are a few questions you need to answer first. Were you rejected outright just for approaching her? Is she not interested in the dating scene at all? Or is it you that she has rejected? We can understand that you have your heart set and know in the depths of your soul that the two of you are meant to be together, even if she doesn't see it yet. Can you win over a girl who rejected you? You need to align your moves with what you think she may like, gather courage, and ask her out again. The following 3 ways can be of help to you. Number 1. Stop calling or texting her. Do you still feel that you need to call or text her after she rejected you? I know it's hard to stop, but you see, you need to ignore her for a while. She rejected you, so don't call or text her to try and win her over. Don't look desperate because it will only have the opposite effect of what you want. Step back from the situation. You both need a cooling off period after the rejection. She rejected you, so it's up to her to get in touch with you when she's ready. Number 2. Stop reaching out. Do you find that the girl that rejected you is acting as though nothing happened and is still sending you friendly texts? Do you feel that she's trying to get back in your good graces? Is she trying to pretend that nothing happened? Don't fall for it. She rejected you, so stop messaging her back. You see, you want her to think about what happened. You want her to get a chance to see what it's like not to have you constantly write back. In short, ignore her messages. Let her think about what she did, how she hurt you, and what that means for your friendship. She can't expect to reject you and act as though nothing happened. Number 3. Focus on other things. Finally, there are plenty of other areas in your life you could focus on right now instead of thinking about the girl that rejected you. Think about this for a moment. You need to be focused on your goals, your career, your hobbies, and other things in life right now. And another thing. Remember the people in your life who matter, your friends and your family. Don't neglect the relationships that matter the most. Once she sees that you've moved on with your life and how well you're doing without her, it will most certainly make her question her decision to reject you. You need to put her out of your mind for now. You cannot let her get in the way of what you want. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thank you.